If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Zeta, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed successfully. Step 1. Open the Zeta app. Launch the Zeta app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your transfer details. Step 2. Navigate to Transfers. Once in the app, locate the menu or tab that says Transfers. This section will display all your recent and pending transactions. Step 3. Find the pending transfer. Scroll through your list of transactions to find the pending transfer you wish to cancel. Tap on it to view more details. Step 4. Select Cancel Transfer. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to cancel the transfer. Confirm your choice to finalize the cancellation. Once you have completed these steps, the pending transfer will be cancelled. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Zeta's customer support for assistance.